Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're gonna do an unboxing and it is an SLG. This is very popular right now that it's very hard to find this item, and I am just so lucky that my good friend here in YouTube, her name is Chanel LV, helped me find this. So thank you, my dear friend, and if it's not for you, I don't think I'll be able to have this now. So it came with this box and also another small box which has this Louis Vuitton perfume samples, and this is the item, and let's open it together. And this is the Recto Verso wallet. This is just beautiful, guys. This is described as canvas with leather trim. So this is, I guess, the leather, and it looks like that. It has 4 card slots, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then it has this zipper opening which goes all the way down, and inside has this key ring where you can pull it up to open it, like so, like a key clay. Then you close it like this, and this is made in France, and I guess this is also in leather lining, as it has the same feel as this one. So it is nice that it is in canvas and leather. And here has another opening, and inside has another slip pocket here for the coins, and it's also in black lining. This is such a beautiful compact purse in my opinion, because you can put a lot of stuff in here and yet it looks slim here. And this is the barcode if you're interested. I am not surprised if this is very popular right now. This is such a cute wallet, guys. If you compare it with a card holder, it looks like this side by side. So it is just a little bit longer. It's an inch longer than the regular card holder. How slim it is. And this is with another card holder from Chanel. Here, side. If I will compare it with my mini O case, looks like this. It's a little bit longer than this one. There. So let's see if it will fit the mini pochette. Let's see if it will fit. So it fits the mini pochette well here, and it looks like this inside. It's so cute. Victorine wallet. Victorine wallet is thicker. This one. So this is a compact version of a regular wallet that we are using, and I really love the functionality that it has. I have here a nano speedy, and we're gonna put it in, and it fits well. If you remove it, just have to slant it a little bit so you can pull it up. And then let's see with my Chanel Square Mini. So my Square Mini has this organizer, and it fits well even with the organizer here. So I'm glad that I can put this in my Square Mini as well. Guys, I was so obsessed when I first saw this at Instagram, and I mentioned this to Chanel LV, and the following day she called me back and said that her SA has it. So I purchased it right away, and now here it is. You can put your keys in here. And let's try to put some cards, because this is like similar to the Tigerama wallet that I bought before, which didn't work for me because the one that I got has a tight card slots and it's hard for me to put in and pull the cards. And let's find out if this one is smoother. So far it went in easily and I can take it out. And let's say we're gonna fill this with cards. Here. I'm gonna pull the cards from the middle and it just comes off easily. So maybe because this is in leather trim, it's easier for me to pull the cards out and put it in. Or probably I also got a bad batch when I bought the Tigerama wallet. But I'm just glad I have this instead because this is a little bit shorter than the Tigerama one. If we'll measure it, the length of this is like 5 3/4 in length, and then the height is 3 1/4, and it's very thin at the side, which will fit your small purses, and at the same time you can put your cell phone. And assuming this is the cell phone, so this is my iPhone 10 holder. So here it is. Let's find out if we can put cards here as well. So it fits a card in here as well, and let's put all 4 cards in here. And yeah, it fits 4 cards. This is such a versatile wallet, guys. I am so happy that I have this, and if you get your hands on this, I really recommended it, even if I haven't used it yet, because of the way it looked and the way it feels on your hand. You are holding it, and it is nice that it can fit your small bags such as this. This is even smaller than the regular square mini, as this is a seasonal piece with the adjustable strap, and yet it fits nicely inside when you put it in and out. I am just so happy with this. It is such a beautiful and well-made piece. Let me know what you think of this, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please do like this video and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.